everybody. Welcome back to Geography Grade 9 English Medium Lesson 4, and the topic is environmental balance. So this is the fourth lesson and we've done a lot. Happy about that. Anyway, now let's start off with the lesson. Environmental balance. The environment is the surrounding created by biotic, living, and abiotic, non-living components. Plants and animals belong to the living part, while solar energy, air, water, soil, landforms, and rocks belong to the non-living part. These living and non-living components maintain mutual relationships with the ecosystem. Environmental balance depends on these relationships. Importance of maintaining environmental balance. All plants and animals on Earth are called the biocommunity. Environmental balance is maintained through the relationship between living beings and the physical environment. Humans are also an important part of the environment. This balance is essential for the survival of all living things. Factors causing the collapse of environmental balance. All living beings, including humans, depend on the physical environment for their basic needs. The environment is made up of connected components, so a change in one component affects the whole environment. Humans use the environment for food, clothing, housing, transport, communication, and trade. With population growth and modern technology, human activities increasingly affect the environment. During the traditional agriculture, the impact of humans on environment was very low. After the Industrial Revolution, human activities greatly affected the environment. Rapid growth of agriculture and industries along with modern technology damaged environmental balance. Excess waste and harmful effects on environmental components caused environmental imbalance. Factors that cause environmental imbalance: excessive utilization of resources, irregular development of processes, excessive burning of fossil fuels, use of agrochemicals, deforestation, reclamation of lowlands, irregular utilization of land, employment of improper technology. Unfavorable effects of collapsing of environmental balance. The collapse of environmental balance affects the whole Earth. Today, the environment faces a serious crisis. Scientists and environmentalists warn that if environmental damage continues, the Earth may become unsuitable for humans and other living beings in the future. Human activities that affect the environment: destruction of forests, destruction of flora and fauna, destruction of water sources. Use of agrochemicals, destruction of soil and aquatic life, and contamination of water. Use of fossil fuels for energy. Air pollution, increase of the environmental temperature. Improper urbanization, adding of waste to environment, and blocking the waterways. Necessity of environmental ethics. Favorable habits which are necessary to maintain the environment in a desirable manner are called environmental ethics. Ethics are linked to personal behavior, customs, and traditions in society. In ancient times, people respected and protected nature because they understood its importance for survival. Religious beliefs and traditions encouraged people to care for trees, forests, and the environment. In the past, people lived in harmony with nature and protected it. Environmental ethics are important for conserving the environment and achieving sustainable development. To maintain environmental balance, people should follow environmental ethics. All religions emphasize the importance means of protecting the environment. Sustainable development. Sustainable development means meeting present needs while protecting the environment for future generations. It is important to follow sustainable development when planning development projects. Both development and environmental protection should work together, while also considering the needs of future generations. Today, large-scale development projects can damage the environmental balance if enough attention is not given to the environment. Therefore, both national and international measures are taken to protect the environmental balance. The following procedures have been followed under the National Conservation Plan. National level procedures: land use planning, conservation of wildlife and forests, promoting agriculture without harming forests, water and soil, coastal conservation, environmental education programs, establishment of Central Environmental Authority, and establishment of the Ministry of Environment. Acts in Sri Lanka: Coastal Conservation Act, National Heritage Forest Act, and international level procedures we have Ramsar Convention for Wetland Conservation, Montreal Convention for Protection of the Ozone Layer. That's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. It makes me happy. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video that I'll probably sending, I don't know, someday. Anyway, until then, bye.